Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me, yeah. And I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. Blossom on the tree, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me.
Sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral mo, yung mga pangarap mo na gusto mong makamit, sana makamit mo. And pagpatuloy mo lang yung ginagawa mo kasi mabait ka naman sa kapwa mo. Sana gawin mo yung best mo palagi para ma-attain mo yung gusto mong ma-attain. Happy birthday, Sofia! I love you!
The very reason why we are all here together with her partner, Mr. Sean Casulia, let us all welcome our debutante, Miss Sofia Avril G. Reyes.
Don't worry, baby, I'll be right where you left me, stuck in sentimental dreams and photographs. Are we living in the good times past?
Sofia, you are now 18. Now that you are in legal age, I hope that you find yourself, ano yung gusto mo sa buhay, ano yung purpose mo, at ma-achieve mo lahat ng dreams mo, mag-succeed ka in life. Kasi sabi mo, di ba, gusto mo ipakita sa amin na maging successful ka at maipakita mo kung ano ba talaga yung kakayahan mo. And I know you can do it.
Di man ako nakakasama sa inyo ni Faye madalas. Let's know na ngayon, bukas, at kahit kailan pa yun, mahal na mahal kita. And you'll always be my favorite cousin. Again, happy birthday.
Are we living in the good times past? Deep breath in my brain.
On your 80th birthday, may you embrace the adventure of adulthood with open arms and a heart full of dreams, with a symphony of laughter, growth, and unforgettable memories.
Don't worry, baby, I'll be right where you left me, stuck in.
Sana mas galingan niya pa yung kung anong meron siya ngayon. And anak, happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday, Sofia!
I love you!